Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here, back with another video. So in this video I will show you the easiest way to buy OMI Ecomi token. Okay, so currently this token is not listed on many exchanges. It's listed only on BitMax and Bitforex. And I've looked the scores of these exchanges. Bitforex is much more secure in my opinion. They do have the withdraw. So when you want to withdraw cryptocurrencies, it takes some time to withdraw the cryptocurrencies because they manually check. So that means that your cryptocurrencies are a lot safer than on BitMax, because currently you can't hold OMI on you can hold it on MetaMask wallet because it's Go chain token, so Go 20, or you can hold it on exchange if you like. I'm holding Ecomi on the wallet, the official Ecomi wallet. I will leave link down in the description if you want to buy it. It's like 200 bucks. It's like physical offline wallet. If you want to store your OMI there, highly recommend you to do that. But anyway, so now let's how to actually buy OMI. You can find link in description to buy Bitforex. You will get bonuses when you sign up. You will save a lot of money. So please use that link when you sign up. Okay. It will save you tremendously amount of money. Okay, but anyway, so the first thing that you want to do is sign up on Bitforex. After you have signed up, this is the kind of the first page here. So currently I don't think that Bitforex has a fiat ramp, so you can't buy cryptocurrencies here. But what you can do is you can send cryptocurrencies here. So for example, here for a test I deposited a little bit of XRP here. So you can, if you have cryptocurrencies, for example, on Bitrue or Binance or KuCoin or Coinbase, you can send the cryptocurrencies right here and then use that to buy OMI. Okay, so let me show you. So when I go spot and type in OMI, you can see that it has USDT pairing. So what we are going to do, you can deposit any asset here and then sell it for USDT and then trade that USDT into OMI. That's what we are going to do. And this Bitforex works very similar to KuCoin. So they have their wallet. So in this wallet you can't trade, but you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies. And in this wallet, spot wallet, you can trade, but you can't withdraw. So you can transfer between two wallets. It's free. So let me show you. For example, now I deposited XRP here. So all you have to do is go to deposit and then deposit the cryptocurrency here from different exchanges that you use. And what you want to do is then transfer the cryptocurrency from wallet to spot wallet and transfer R and confirm. And boom. And after that you go to spot wallet, and like you can see now the XRP is right here. Now we are going to actually go to spot and sell this XRP for USDT. You can do this with any cryptocurrency. I just have XRP here. So then go here and where it says sell here 100%. So here are selling orders, people who are selling XRP for USDT, and here are buying orders, people who are buying XRP for USDT. Okay, so currently it's only limit orders. So what you want to do is, for example, here where I sell and people are here selling, so I click this, okay, and then I click 100%, then I put that there, and then I put my trading password here, and boom, you can come here to open order here. If it didn't go through, I want to show you this. So you can see here that the order didn't go through because it's still a bit. You can come here and cancel it and go to spot and put a new order if that happens to you, if somebody beats the price there. So again, I want to show it again. So again, sell here 100%, selling price here. Currently people are selling 46. So you can come here if you want to sell fast. You can also sell here to the buyers, but of course, like you can see, it's 46.9 and 46.8, so you will get less, but it will the order will go through instantly, so you don't have to wait. So let me show you. So like you can see now the order goes through, or at least it should, if somebody else don't beat me there. Okay, now it should go through. Boom, boom, boom. I will show you. So yeah, now I have the USDT here, and now we're going to trade that USDT to OMI. Okay, now go again, go click search, and boom, here. And the price has pumped quite a lot now. It's trading sideways. Allowed to see that here's the chart. Look at this boom here, and then the next boom, and now it's trading sideways here. I love to see that it's trading sideways. It's treating this as a support. You can see it here, and I think that we are going to go up here. But anyway, now I'm going to buy some. So now again, here are selling orders and there are buyer orders. Now we can just come here because it's selling orders, and we buy it. So you can just come here and put it on 100%, and then put your trading password again, and boom. And you can come here to see if it's still open order, but it should execute it instantly. And when I come to now the spot, the OMI will show up right here. Okay, now you can transfer it from spot wallet to main wallet, and transfer all and confirm. And then you can withdraw your cryptocurrencies here when they are in the wallet. You can check out the official OMI, the OMI Ecomi has its own cryptocurrency wallet. I highly recommend you to get that. You can get that in the link in description. So all you have to do is withdraw the cryptocurrency in that wallet, and you are set. And sign up on Forex, link in description, if you want to save a lot of money. It will save your fees, like you will save a lot of money. Okay, and that's going to be the tutorial. That's how you can buy OMI. I hope that this was very easy to follow, and now you can buy OMI on Bitforex. It's going OMI is launched on March 24th in the Uniswap. So even if you don't use Uniswap, you can still buy it on Bitforex. Okay, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future videos. I have also a lot of different resources on my the description here, so definitely check that out. For example, there's the free newsletter that I send every single day. It's going to be the people absolutely love the newsletter. I get a lot of replies there from people saying that thank you so much. So definitely check out the newsletter if you want to stay up to date for about cryptocurrencies, and if you want to know what kind of things I'm doing. So definitely check that. It's going to be very interesting ride here, because I think that we are 50% done with the bull run, and the next 50% are going to be insane in my opinion. So yeah, I think OMI has a strong play here, because it's the NFT. Like they have so many licenses, and the app is very good. I just love it. So now you know how to buy OMI. Click link in the description by Bitforex to sign up, and also check out the official wallet. Okay, anyway, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys.